intervention of any government, but social protection alone is not enough. In order to aspire for holistic poverty alleviation, it is critical to aim for sustained growth and for governments to hone their ability to accrue the benefits of that growth equitably to populations. And such a transformation, we know from examples around the world, happens in an environment of good governance, in an environment where government catalyzes investments, in an environment of sound sectoral policies, and in an overall context when an honest redistributive hand of the government is committed to accruing the benefits of that sustained growth equitably to populations. Our government is working on all those fronts, and I'm very humbled to tell you that our government was able to make literally a V-shaped economic recovery even in the midst of COVID, thanks to the success of to the policies that were espoused, and we will continue to do that. Now, we recognize, as I just said, that for sustained poverty alleviation, economic growth is very important, and growth has these local drivers. So you look at different pockets of potential with respect to agriculture, with respect to manufacturing and services, and here is where tourism also has a very important role. So I'm really very delighted that this unique area, that the potential of this very unique area and its potential for poverty alleviation was squarely put on the agenda for this conference, because I think that by the time this conference ends, we should have some actionable steps for the way forward. Before I come to the actionable steps, I would just like to briefly dilate upon how our government looks at tourism, both as an engine of growth as well as a driver of poverty alleviation. Now, we are a very large country, and in terms of tourism, we have 1,000 kilometers of coastline. We have the second highest peak in the world in terms of mountains. We have deserts, we have plains, we have mangrove forests. We have one of the largest 5 rivers in the world. So in terms of geographic diversity, there is a lot to offer to the world. We are also the cradle of 3 ancient civilizations. There are many sites for religious tourism. There is great cultural diversity that tourism could exploit within this country, and not to speak of the legendary hospitality of particularly of our nation, particularly in the north. So our government recognizes that tourism has huge potential. And our government recognizes that it hits on multiple bottom lines.
बाद में मुआविन खुसूसी डॉक्टर सानिया निश्तर तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं। लाहौर से अभी आपको अहम खबर से आगाह करेंगे। आईजी पंजाब की हिदायत पर 20 पुलिस अफसरान के तकर्रुर और तबादले। अली जावेद, अनवर मलिक एडिशनल डायरेक्टर एस